Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, you have to open camera, and here tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have in these camera settings you have self timer. You can set it on 2 or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 2 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.